Have you found yourself at work wondering what it would be like to start your own business?
Have you sat there dreaming about starting a business for a while, but you haven't made the leap because you think your age is an issue?
Yeah, but maybe think you're too old, maybe think you're too young. But really, what is the ideal age to start a business?
What if your goal is to retire at a decent age? Should you even consider starting a business after the age of 35, 40, maybe 50?
Well, we're here to help you. In this video, we will tell you the ideal age to start a business and how a business can actually help you retire from where you're working now.
Stay tuned. What's up, people? It's Nadia
And Nicole,
bringing you another installment of the Wealth Twins Show,
where we give you the best tips, tricks, and inside scoops on how you can build your wealth on a road to financial independence.
And what does that mean, Nicole?
It means we're trying to make work optional for you.
AKA fire your boss.
That's right.
So if you like what we're doing here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, the notification bell, and do us a favor. Hit that like button, and let's begin.
Yeah, so Nadia and I are both entrepreneurs, right? We decided for various reasons. My main reason was to see if I can actually make money off of one of the ideas that I come up with. Truth be told, I've been tested. I'm an idea generator.
Nicole thinks she's an idea generator.
It's not even think I was tested. But I have ideas all the time, and I felt I'd be doing myself a disservice if I never even tried one, right? Because you only got one life to live. YOLO, like I like to say. Nadia hates it. Anyway, I've started 3 companies so far. Some have worked out better than others, but I never let the fear of failure stop me or my age stop me.
Yeah.
The way I think about it, when I do an entrepreneurship, I will learn something. Even if the business doesn't work, it will help me out for my next venture.
Now, my reason for becoming an entrepreneur is a bit different, right? I was coming from an industry that didn't allow me to have as much freedom as I would like for me raising a family, right? We both left careers, which might seem like a risky thing to most people, but we thought becoming entrepreneurs, the upsides of that was worth the risk that we were taking.
Yeah, based on research, the ideal age to actually start a business is when you have less obligations like family or significant bills, and you're looking around the age ranges of maybe mid-20s or even after the age of 50.
Yeah. When you're in your 20s, you're likely to have the ability to take on more risk because time is on your side, right? But if you're not in those age ranges and you have a family right now, don't take the research to mean you can't become an entrepreneur. Right?
Because guess what? Here's a fun fact for you guys. Nadia, do you know the average age for a new entrepreneur?
Is it 25?
No, it's actually 39.
39?
Yep. So if you're in a company that might be going through a reorg,
AKA layoffs.
Yes. Or you've been working on a project or developing an interesting idea and the company just said, we're slashing funding to that. And they trying to move you on to maybe less challenging work.
Means boring work. We're not giving the money for the things that you were interested in, but we need you over here right now.
Then maybe it's time to retire from your current career or company and maybe giving entrepreneurship a try.
Yeah, we became entrepreneurs later in life, after the age of 30 and after we both had families, okay? We were midway through our careers. We were doing relatively well.
But you know what? Even Gary Vee says that 40 is the new 20, right?
We knew we wanted more.
I mean, even though we have families and we knew it wouldn't be easy, we knew right off the bat we were not going back to the corporate world, right?
Yeah, we were officially retired and now we're full-time mompreneurs.
Yes. Now, so even though we are mompreneurs and we don't go back to the corporate world, entrepreneurship actually helps keep our career minds active while we're raising our children, As the kids get growing, as they get older, we have more time to focus on more of our businesses and more ideas.
Now, I will tell you now, it's not easy doing this when you're a mom or you're a full-time mom. I will say no job is harder than being
there are jobs that are harder, guys. Military guys, shout out to you.
Being a parent
Police,
is probably
firemen.
the hardest job I've ever had. You're on 24 hours. Shout out to the parents out there. But if you can handle raising a family, you could definitely handle starting a business later on in life.
Yeah, because you're already used to handling responsibilities, you know. And actually starting a business between the ages of 35, 40, it's an idea that you have, the ability to grind it out, those long hours because you have the discipline. Along, you actually have life experiences that make you a more mature individual, but also can give you a leg up on somebody else.
Those people who are in their 35 to 40-year-old range, those people are called mid-career entrepreneurs, right? And those people are able to start businesses that are 5 times more likely to be successful than a person who is starting a business right out of college.
So mid-career entrepreneurs are 5 times more likely to succeed than people who are out of college, straight out of college starting businesses, right? So take all those years that you had in learning and you on your job and use those skills to actually help you start a new business.
Yeah, those are transferable skills that a company is paying you right now to learn that you can use for your own benefit.
So you know what? If you really have entrepreneurship in your heart, don't let your age stop you, right? Starting a business can help you retire, right?
Yeah.
It can also, help you take a bet on yourself.
Yeah, there's no point of staying in a job that's bringing you no joy, okay? If you want and you think starting to be a full-time entrepreneur is too risky, then start it as a part-time entrepreneur. Use a job that you have right now. Use the money coming in from that to help fund your business.
Now, people, we used to call it moonlighting. Now the new word is side hustle.
Yeah.
So start a mid-career or start being an entrepreneur with a side hustle if you want to be safer. And then move on to be a full-time entrepreneur. Yeah. Either way, use entrepreneurship. Don't let your age stop you. And make sure you can use it as a plan to either retire, right? Or just to start something new.
Yeah. And if you like what we're saying, guys, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel.
Yep. And as always, your manners will take you further than your money.